Good morning, my dear students. For second standard, today I will start for second standard syllabus. Okay, as you have for your syllabus, we have English, Kannada, Maths, EVS, GK, and drawing. Okay, drawing and art and craft, etc. Okay, so today let me begin with English syllabus, English language syllabus. And in that we are having Neelu and Joy. First lesson as Neelu and Joy. Clear? Neelu and Joy is the first lesson for your first semester English portion. Okay? Hope you are waiting for the online classes. Most of the students have already collected textbooks and notebooks from the school. Okay? So let's begin with at least online. As of now, we are given offline works like homeworks and etc. And from today, we will begin with online classes. Okay. If you have any doubts, you may call me between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. regarding the understanding, or if you find any problem in understanding the lesson or concept or etc. Just you may give me a call. Okay. All right. Let's begin with the Neelu and Joy. Lesson number 1: Neelu and Joy. Clear? So, are you ready? Yes. Neelu, lesson number 1, Neelu and Joy. Lesson number 1, Neelu and Joy. Let's start. Can you match the tail of the animals with their names? You may take the help of your elders. Here, I am teaching you, no need to take of your elders' help. Okay? I'll help you in identifying the tails of the different animals. Here are names of the different animals are rabbit, mouse, cat, dog and squirrel. Once again, shall I repeat? Rabbit, mouse, cat, dog, squirrel. Okay. The rabbit's tail is this. You need to match with it. Mouse tail is this. You need to match with it. Cat tail is this, you need to match with it. Dog's tail is this, you need to match with it. Squirrel's tail is this, you need to match with this. Just you need to match with the animal names and its tails. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's read the lesson. Let's start the lesson. Lesson name is Neelu and Joy. Neelu is the name of a girl. In this lesson, Neelu is the name of a girl. Okay, and Joy is the name of a dog. Joy is the name of a dog. Before we start this lesson reading, we must get familiar with the meanings of some new words. Right? Here in the green colored words are there. Here for them we have a meaning. So this is called word power. Word power meanings. Here pet. Pet means what? Pet means an animal kept in the house as a friend or for guarding the house. This is the pet. Meaning of the pet. An animal kept in the house as a friend or for guarding the house. Okay, this is the meaning of the word called pet. Pet. Okay, pet means an animal kept in the house as a friend or for guarding the house. You must get familiar with the meanings of new words. Okay, for better and healthy understanding of lessons or language. Okay. Pet means an animal kept in the house as a friend or for guarding the house. Here Alsatian. Alsatian means a type of dog that is big in size. Okay. We may be having a Doberman dog. Okay. Like that you have a Mudhol dog. Okay, like this we have a Alsatian dog. Alsatian is a type of dog. Is a type of dog that is big in size. Alsatian. Alsatian is a type of dog that is big in size. Big in size. Dog house. Here the meaning of dog house is a place where pet dogs are kept. Okay, we as a human, we have our own house. For them we call it as home, right? Home. Like this, dogs also have house for it, that is dog house, a place where pet dogs are kept. Pet dogs are kept. Dog house, a place where pet dogs are kept. Okay, like this we have few more words. This is wheelchair here. Wheelchair and hide and seek. I'll explain the meanings of it. Here are wheelchair. Wheelchair means a chair with the wheels that a person who can't walk uses to move around. For example, disabled means the person who can't able to walk, they need to move from one place to another place, they need the wheelchair. Okay, that is called wheelchair. Wheelchair. Okay, a chair with the wheels. A chair with the wheels that a person who can walk uses to move around one place to another place. That disabled person want to move means the person who can't able to walk is disabled. That for them we have a wheelchairs. Okay, a chair with the wheels that a person who can't walk uses to move around, that is called wheelchair. Hide and seek. Okay, hide and seek. A game is a game where everyone hides and one person looks for them. For example, this is called ನಾವು ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚಾಲೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು hide and seek ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. We call it as hide and seek. This is a game where everyone hides and one person looks for them. Okay, this is called hide and seek game. Okay, then after getting familiar with the meanings of the words, let's learn. Let's read and try to understand the lesson. As I told you, Neelu and Joy. This is the lesson. Lesson number 1, Neelu and Joy. Okay, here Neelu is the name of a girl and Joy is the name of a dog. Okay, Neelu has a pet. What she is having? She is having a pet. Neelu has a pet. Neelu has a pet. His name is Joy. His name is Joy. Okay, Neelu has a pet. His name is Joy. Whose name is Joy? The Alsatian dogs. The Alsatian dog's name is Joy. His means here the dog. Neelu is a girl. Neelu is the name of the girl. Neelu has a pet. His name is Joy. Joy is an Alsatian. As we have familiar with the meaning of it as a type of dog that is big in size. This is called Alsatian. Okay, Joy is an Alsatian. He is brown and black in color. He is brown and black in color. He is brown and black in color. Which color he is? He is brown and black. He has a bushy tail. Bushy tail ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೇಲ್ಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಉದ್ದ ದಪ್ಪ ಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂದಲಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ bushy tail. Okay, he has a bushy tail. Okay, he lives in a beautiful and colorful dog house. Okay, as we have discussed, as we are familiar with the meaning of the dog house is a place where a pet dog are kept. Okay, he has a bushy tail. He lives in a beautiful and colorful dog house. He has a bushy tail. He lives in a beautiful and colorful dog house. Got it? He is a special dog. What kind of dog it is? It is a special dog. Special means some special qualities the dog is having. That's called special dog. He is a special dog. Then what kind of quality it has? He takes care of the people who can't walk properly. Okay. That is a trained dog. That is a trained dog who looks after the people who can't able to work properly. Okay. He takes care of people who can't walk properly. Okay. He is a special dog. Who is the special dog? Joy. Here he refers to Joy. Joy refers to he. Okay. He is nothing but a name of a dog. Okay. He refers to name of a dog, that is Joy. Joy is a special dog, or he is a special dog. He takes care of people who can't walk properly. Who can't walk properly. Why he is special? He is a trained dog who looks after, who takes care of a people who can't able to walk properly. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸರಿ ನಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ವೀಲ್ ಚೇರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಡ್ ಡಾಗ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಡಾಗ್. He is a special dog. He takes care of a people who can't walk properly. Who can't walk properly. Clear? Got up to this point? Okay. This is all about a girl called Neelu. Okay. She has a pet. His name is a Joy. Joy is an Alsatian. He is brown and black in color. He has a bushy tail. He lives in a beautiful and colorful dog house. He has a beautiful and he lives in a beautiful and colorful dog house. He is a special dog. He takes care of people who can't walk properly. Tilta. This is all about Neelu and Joy. Neelu can't able to walk properly. Hence the dog name called Joy. He is an Alsatian dog. He is brown and black in color and he is having a bushy tail and he lives in a beautiful and colorful dog house. And he is a special dog. He takes care of a person who can't able to walk. Who can't able to walk. Understood? Okay, shall we move on? Okay, fine. So here you can see the picture as we have discussed. We can see the picture here. Okay. We can see the picture and try to imagine the whole conversations, whole description in the lesson. Here is a Neelu, a girl who can't able to walk properly. She is on the wheelchair. This here is the dog. His name is Joy. His name is Joy. He is of Alsatian type. Alsatian is a type of dog that is big in size. That is big in size. Okay. This is Alsatian type of dog. He is having a bushy tail. He is having a bushy tail and brown and black in color. And brown and black in color. See, this is brown and black in color and he is having a bushy tail. Here is a girl Neelu. She is sitting on the wheelchair. Here it is a Joy. Joy is a dog and is a Alsatian type of dog. Joy is an Alsatian. Alsatian is a type of dog that is big in size. Okay. Neelu has a pet. This is a pet dog. His name is Joy. He is Alsatian type of dog and he is having a bushy tail and color is brown and black. Okay. And he lives in a beautiful and colorful doghouse. He lives in a beautiful and colorful doghouse. And he is a special dog. He is a special dog. He takes care of the people who can't walk properly. This dog takes care of the people or the person who can't able to walk properly. Okay, this is a dog. Okay, what Neelu does with the dog? Clear? What Neelu does with Joy? Let's learn. Neelu plays with Joy. Neelu plays with Joy sitting in the wheelchair. Sitting in the wheelchair. This is the wheelchair because Neelu can't able to walk properly. That's why she is sitting on the wheelchair. That's why she is sitting on the wheelchair. Okay. Neelu plays with Joy sitting in her wheelchair. They play hide and seek. They play hide and seek and ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚಾಲೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. They play hide and seek. Hide and seek means a game where everyone hides and one person looks for them. This is called hide. Wheelchair, a chair with the wheels that a person can't able to walk uses to move around. Used to move around. Followed? This is wheelchair and this is hide and seek. Joy can always find out Neelu's hiding place. Okay? Where Neelu hides, that place the dog easily finds. Easily finds. Joy can always find out Neelu's hiding place. Means where Neelu hides, that place the Joy always find out her hiding place. Okay? Okay, fine. Next. Every day, Joy helps Neelu walk a few steps. Okay? Walk few steps. Every day, Joy helps Neelu walk a few steps. He wags his tail and barks happily. Okay? When Neelu starts walking few steps, he wags his tail and barks happily. Okay? Wags ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಲ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿಸಿ, ಬಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಗಳೋದು. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಗಳುತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಗಳುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? He wags his tail and barks happily. Okay? Joy is always near Neelu. Okay? Where the Joy always he stood? He stood always near to Neelu. Joy is always near to Neelu. Near means Samipa. Okay? Joy ಯಾವಾಗ್ನೂ at Joy ನೀಲುನ್ ಸಮೀಪ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಹೌದಾ? Joy and a dog ಯಾವಾಗ್ನೂ ನೀಲು ಸಮೀಪ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. When Neelu feels sad, ಹೌದಾ? You also feel sad when you feel alone, when someone teased you or someone scolded you, you feel sad, right? When Neelu feels sad, Joy licks her face. When Neelu feels sad, Joy licks her face. She feels nice and then she hugs him. Okay? When Neelu feels sad, Joy licks her face. Okay? Joy ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು? ಬಂದು ಅವಳ ಮುಖನ ನಾಲ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಕೋದಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಲಿಕ್. Okay? Licks her face. She feels nice and then she hugs him. She hugs him ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಾಯಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು. ಓಕೆ? ನೀಲು ಲವ್ಸ್ ಜಾಯ್. ಲವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನೀಲು ಜಾಯ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಲು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೆಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನೀಲು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಜಾಯ್ನ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅ ಲೆಸನ್. Okay, shall we discuss? All right. By just looking at the picture, we'll try to describe whole story. Okay. See here. Here is a Neelu. She has a pet. His name is Joy, and he is Alsatian type, and he is a brown and he is having a bushy tail. He is brown and black and he is having a bushy tail. He is having a bushy tail. He lives in the beautiful and colorful dog house. This is a Neelu. This is a Neelu. She is having a pet. Okay. His name is Joy. Right. He is a Alsatian type of dog and he is brown and black in color and he is having a bushy tail. And he lives in a beautiful and colorful dog house. Clear? And he is a special dog. He is a special dog. He takes care of a people who can't able to walk. Special means a trained dog. Okay? A trained dog who looks after the people who can't able to walk. Where Neelu can't able to walk, so hence he is taking care of a Neelu. Clear? Next, Neelu plays with a Joy sitting on her wheelchair. This wheelchair. Wheelchair ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀಲು ಜಾಯ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು. What type of game they used to play? They used to play hide and seek. Hide and seek. Joy can always find out Neelu's hiding place. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಜಾಯ್ ಆ ನೀಲು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಕೋತಿದ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಯಾವುದು? ಜಾಯ್. ರೈಟ್? Every day Joy helps Neelu walk a few steps. Okay? He wags his tail and barks happily. Okay? Joy is always near to Neelu. And Neelu feels sad. When Neelu feels sad, Joy licks her face. She feels nice and then she hugs him. Neelu loves Joy. This is all about the one person called Neelu. She is a girl and another thing is called as the dog. Dog is an animal. His name is Joy. He is brown and black in color, having a bushy tail. He lives in a beautiful and colorful dog house. Okay, he is a special dog. He takes care of the person who can't able to walk. This is the wheelchair. They used to play hide and seek game. Clear? They play hide and seek game and Joy always finds the Neelu's hiding place. And when Neelu can't able to walk, the Joy is going to help. And Joy helps to Neelu to walk few steps. He wags his tail and barks happily. Okay? Joy is always near to Neelu and when Neelu feels sad, Joy licks her face and she feels nice and then hugs him. Neelu loves Joy. This story is all about the girl called Neelu and Joy. That's why the name and title of the lesson is Neelu and Joy. Followed? You want me to read once again? Okay, I will do it for you. Right? You start reading along with me. Okay? Neelu has a pet. His name is Joy. Joy is an Alsatian. He is brown and black in color. He has a bushy tail. He lives in a beautiful and colorful dog house. He has a bushy tail. He lives in a beautiful and colorful dog house. He is a special dog. He takes care of a people who can't walk properly. Okay? Neelu plays with Joy, sitting in her wheelchair. They play hide and seek. Joy can always find out Neelu's hiding place. Every day, Joy helps Neelu walk few steps. He wags his tail and barks happily. Joy is always near Neelu. When Neelu feels sad, Joy licks her face. Full point. She feels nice and then she hugs him. Neelu loves Joy. Joy is always near Neelu. When Neelu feels sad, Joy licks her face. She feels nice and then she hugs him. Neelu loves Joy. Okay, this is all about the lesson. Okay, let me revise once again the meanings. Pet. Pet means an animal kept in the house as a friend or for guarding the house. Here is the meaning of a pet. An animal kept in the house as a friend or for guarding the house. Alsatian is a type of dog that is big in size. Is a type of dog. Alsatian is the type of dog that is big in size. Dog house, a place where pet dogs are kept. Okay, and here are the meaning for a word called wheelchair. A chair with the wheels that a person who can't walk uses to move around. Okay, the wheelchair, a chair with wheels that a person who can't walk uses to move around. Hide and seek, a game where everyone hides and one person looks for them. This is called hide and seek. Hope you understood this lesson. Just by not listening to the lesson, you can't able to understand or you can't able to follow. You try to read yourself and refer to picture and try to imagine the situation. Okay, these pictures will help you to understand the lesson very easily. Okay, when you see the picture, try to imagine yourself as a Neelu. You are sitting on a wheelchair. You have a pet dog. His name is Joy and he is a Alsatian type. The dog's description of the dog is brown and black in color and is having a bushy tail and he lives in a beautiful and colorful dog house. Okay, he is a special dog. He takes care of people who can't able to walk properly, and both of them, when Neelu sitting on the Joy, playing with the Joy sitting on the wheelchair, they both play hide and seek game. Okay, Joy can always find the Neelu's hiding place. Then every day, Joy helps Neelu to walk few steps. He wags his tail and barks happily. Joy is always near Neelu, and when Neelu feels sad, Joy licks her face. She feels nice, and then she hugs. Neelu loves Joy. Okay, by just imagine the picture, and you have to involve in the picture, and you try to read the lesson and try to know the meanings and spellings of each and every word. Clear? Let me move on to the next. Let's answer. Followed, hope, I think, complete lesson you have followed. Based on the lesson, we have some question and answer types. Okay, here write T for true and F for false. Okay, let's answer. Write T for true and F for false. Okay, Joy is a cat. Is the Joy cat or a dog? Just recall yourself and tell me. Okay, Joy is a cat. No, it is false statement. Joy is a dog. Clear? For the false statement, what you have to write is F. Okay, Joy is white in color. Joy is white in color. False statement. False statement. Okay, he is not in white in color. He is brown and black. So this statement is also false. Okay, Joy has a bushy tail. What kind of a tail Joy is having? Bushy tail. Then this statement is correct. Then it is true. True andre nija, satya. Hauda? Next. Neelu loves Joy. Neelu Joy ge ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? Yes, Nilu loves joy. This is a true statement. When you feel the statement is true, then write T. When you feel, when you understood the statement is false, then you write F. Got it? Clear? Shall I move further? Okay. Here is a question answers. Question answers. Okay. How does Joy looks? How does Joy looks? How does the Joy looks? He looks brown and black. He looks brown and black. How does the Joy looks? He looks brown and black. You need to write. Why is the Joy special dog? Because it takes care of the people who can't able to walk. Why is Joy a special dog? Joy is a special dog because he takes care of people who can't able to walk. What does Joy do when Nilu feels sad? What does Joy do when Nilu feels sad? When Nilu feels sad, he just licks her face and Nilu hugs Joy. Okay? So, I will give you a written, I will write it in the workbook and I will share with you I will share through WhatsApp. You just copy in your textbook come workbook. Clear? Shall I move next? Let's explore. Okay? Why is Joy always near Nilu? Because Nilu can't able to walk. Okay? There must be someone who takes care of. There must be someone when someone can't able to walk properly. For them, that we need to take care of them. For that, Joy is always near Nilu. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೊಬ್ಬರು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಾರ ಸಮೀಪಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ Nilu is having a Joy as a pet. Okay? Alright. Got it? So, next. Compound words. Let's learn new words. Compound words means what? We have a word. Okay? We have a word. Here, compound words means what? The compound words is joining of two words together and making a word. That's called compound word. Compound words. Read the following sentences from the story. Read the following sentence from the story. He lives in a beautiful and colorful doghouse. This is called compound word. Look at the word in blue color. Such words are called compound words. Compound words are formed when two words are joined together to form a new word with new meaning. Clear? Compound words. Read the following sentence from the story. He lives in a beautiful and colorful doghouse. Look at the word in blue. This is blue color word. Such a word is called compound word. Compound words are formed when two words are joined together to form a new word with meaning. With meaningful. Right? Like this, we can form many compound words. Let's learn. Let's discuss here. Right? Some more examples of compound words are. Butter plus fly. Butter plus fly. Butter plus fly is equal to butterfly. Butterfly. Okay? Rain plus bow. Rain plus bow. Rainbow. Rain plus bow. The both word make a new word, the meaningful word. Not just making a word, it's a meaningful word. Rain plus bow is rainbow. Right? Next we have a foot plus ball. Football. Foot plus ball. Football. Air plus port. Air plus port is equal to airport. Air plus port is equal to airport. Okay? These are some example for compound words. Now we'll do ourselves. Match. Match the following and write the compound words. Okay? Okay? Here we will match the grandmother. Grandmother. We need to write here as a grandmother. Sunflower. Sunflower. We need to write sunflower here. Okay? House. House. Fly. House fly. We need to write it here. House fly. Anybody. Anybody. Okay? Anybody. Anybody. You need to write here. Anybody. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Okay? You need to write it here. Toothpaste. Afternoon. 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 Write it here. Afternoon. Okay? Grandmother. Grandmother. Sunflower. Housefly. Anybody. Toothpaste. Afternoon. Here you write the grandmother, sunflower, housefly. Housefly you write here. Anybody, right here. Toothpaste, right here. Afternoon, right here. Okay. I will share the solved worksheets through WhatsApp. Don't worry. The same you copy and submit for corrections. First you try to focus to understand this better. Hope you have followed. Just make a revision of this video, repetition of this video, watch it again and again and try to understand and try to solve. Okay? Next, we have pronunciation. We have pronunciation. Pronunciation. Here is pronunciation. Let's learn the sound. Let's learn the sounds, pronunciations. Okay? Read the following. Read the following words loudly. You can able to read and pronounce only when repeatedly you read again and again with loud. With loud. So, okay? Read the following words loudly. These words begin with sh sound. Sh sound. Yes, sh sound. Shop, shirt, shy, shark. These words begin with sh sound. Shop, shirt, shy, shark. Okay? These words begin with ch sound. Ch sound. Child, chin, chick, chop. Child, chin, chick, chop. Child, chin, chick, chop. Okay? The sh sound and the ch sound. Okay? Next, here some activity for you. Look at the pictures given below. Look at the pictures given below. Write SH for the word with sh sound and CH for the words with ch sound. Okay? Shall we do this activity? For ch sound we need to write CH. For sh sound we need to write SH. Okay? Now what the picture is here? Chips. Chips. What the sound is here? Ch. CH. Shoe, shoes. What is sound what is sound here? Shoe, sh, SH. Chair. What is sound here? Ch. What is sound here? Ship. This is the ship. What is sound here? Sh, SH. Okay? Followed? If you find any doubts in understanding or following in this lesson, just give me a call between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay? Or in my text. Next is listening and speaking. Listening and speaking. Let's listen and speak. Let's listen and speak. Listen to your teacher and read about the pet animals and answer the following questions orally. Orally. Name some pet animals. Can you recognize? Can you name some pet animals? Pet animals, as I told you, the animals that we keep with us as a friend or for guarding our houses. Pet may be a cat, pet may be a dog, pet may be a rabbit, pet may be a parrot. Okay, these are pet friends. Okay. Name some pet animals. Pet animals are dog, cat, rabbit, then parrot. Okay. Next. What kind of food and water should we give to our pets? What kind of food and water? Clean food, healthy food and clean water. Okay? Healthy food and clean water we should give to our pets. The kind of food we eat, that animal may not eat. Okay? Animals may not eat. Our pet may not eat. The food that the animal likes, that kind of healthy food we need to give to your pets. And clean drinking water. Clean drinking water. What kind of a food and water should we give? Should we give to our pets? The food that animal likes, and that must be a healthy food and a clean water, we need to give to our pet animals. Right? What should we do to our pets if they fall sick? Okay, fall sick means what? ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೆಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸು ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಆರಾಮ್ ತಪ್ಪಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೂ ಜ್ವರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಕ್ಕೂ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವು ಕೂಡ ದೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾಲ್ ಸಿಕ್. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ವೆಟರ್ನರಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. They have veterinary hospitals for animals. We need to take the pets to the veterinary hospital. We need to consult the veterinary doctors. Okay? What should we do to our pets if they fall sick? We need to take them to the veterinary doctors. Should we spend time with our pets? Should you spend your time with your friends? Should you spend your time with your family? Yes, right? Like that only, you have your pet animals, you need to spend a little bit of time to play with your pet animals. Okay? Should we spend time with our pets? Yes, we must spend time with our pet animals. Okay? Next, do you think keeping birds in a cage as a pet is a good thing? Is a good thing? Speak few sentences on this topic in the class. Okay, we used to keep many animals in the cages. Okay, pigeon, parrot, okay, lion, tiger, monkeys, okay, and many animals we can see in the zoo. We keep them in a cage. ಕೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಒಂಥರ ಜೈಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ cage. The zoo caretaker will keep the animals in the cage because some animals are harmful for us. As we already studied, wild animals and domestic animals. Domestic animals will not harm us and wild animals will harm us. Whereas the birds, especially birds, they used to fly freedomly, right? Fly freedomly, right? Happily. They need to enjoy their life, but we are keeping them in a cage. It's not like making a punishment to stay in a one room. Okay? That's not a good thing. If the bird likes your being with that, then you are keeping in a cage for the security. That is good. Okay? Just for tying in and keeping in a cage is the wrong thing. Okay? Just you can have your own ideas about to keep the birds in the cage or not. Just you may discuss with your parent. Okay? Do you think keeping birds in the cage as pet is good thing? ಕೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅದು ಪಂಜರ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಪಂಜರ. ಆ ಪಂಜರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಡೋದು, ಪಿಜನ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೆಟ್, when you are not playing with it or when you are not staying with it, then you are going to keep in a cage for the security. That is well and good. That is well and good. But do not keep always the birds into the cage. Okay? Okay. In tomorrow's class we will discuss more about the grammar part. Okay? On the next session tomorrow, I will discuss with you regarding the grammar part. Okay, till then you take care and just follow this lesson. Watch the video again and again, listen to the lesson again and again. Just get familiar with the picture and familiar with the reading concepts. And you already took a book from school, just refer to book and just note down the question answers, match the followings, what all the things are there, then submit them on the coming Monday, that is 17th of August. Okay, till then I will share all the solved worksheets through WhatsApp. Okay, solved worksheet through WhatsApp. Just take a note in the textbook and workbook. Okay, submit it on 17th August. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you.